My name is Michael, and I'm graduating from the front end portion of Nucamp's Coding Bootcamp. This is the website that I built. This is a photography portfolio business site. This is geared more towards, actually, my wife is a photographer, so that's where the inspiration came. Because we just have a hero image here with the business name. We have a carousel, which you can control with the indicators, or we can use our keyboard as well to navigate through it. Our footer help us navigate as well. I use the Jeffsum Lorem Ipsum generator. It's actually Jeff Goldblum's quotes from different movies. It's a lot of Jurassic Park in here, which good sense of humor. Our contact form is using our React Redux form. It's control, so we definitely have to write something in it, not mechanically. This one is optional, so there's no messages in here. This one, we have to at least write 20 characters, at least where it says, I need you to take family pictures or newborn pictures or something along those lines. And then we have our gallery. All these pictures are taken from Unsplash. However, they do resemble my wife's photography style. So we scroll down, we see this little button here appear, and that helps us just scroll back up smoothly. Just pretty much more of the same. This originally was in a different layout. This is the original site. We have no header here. Our header's coming up with this, and it has a sticky top, so it stays there. And our gallery is to just tap pills. But the way this was laid out, I was missing out on the animation, and I actually didn't like the layout at the end of the day. Good thing about React is you can just mix and match, take everything apart, and put it back together the way you want. And now for the code. One of the main things that I wanted to do was do something different than what we had in our bootcamp. So I did a lot of the pretty much similar components and libraries that I added, but I just added the new one. And this was a little bit harder because there were some changes, some were minor, some were not so minor. For example, Bootstrap 5 doesn't have my Jumbotron, which I was expecting to use it. I had to downgrade this one. But then after that, I started getting more comfortable going through the documentation, things like React Router DOM. The newest version is so much easier. For example, here, it's very, very easy, but you have to go through the documentation, see what's going on, see how it's being implemented, see the changes, see if it's going to work or not. I had to do a little trick here and there. Also, in getting my photos, where to put them, was very interesting. I had a couple of options, and at the end of the day, I ended up getting a folder for actually put them in the public folder. That there's all my images, which my plans for the full stack is to just have this be just done remotely. Um, let's see. Also, I had many different changes that things that I was struggling is when I was changing. I had my gallery container. I had a lot of extra code here that should have gone, which each individual component. Which when I started doing the rearranging of the website, I had to just take everything that was here, put it in each component: the maternity, the family, the newborn, photography. But at the end of the day, it was I feel great going through the documentation. It's actually fun. It's interesting trying things out, and I'm glad I did it.